to add Stripe Payment Gateway on Google Sites, the first thing you want to do is open a tab and you're going to go onto stripe.com. Once you have created your account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Payments. After selecting Payments, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, I want you to tap on Create a Payment Link. After selecting Create a Payment Link, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, the first thing you're going to do is go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and from there you'll be able to add the product or item that you're selling. So you're going to tap on Select Type in the top left-hand corner, and from there you can select products or subscriptions. After doing that, you're going to tap where you see the search bar, and from there you could tap on Add a New Product. After you have done that, you can add in your product name, description. You can also add a cover image and the price of the product right there. You can also decide whether you like the payment to be recurring or one time. And after doing that, you can tap on Add Product. Since I've created products before, I'm just going to add one of the pre-made products. So I'm going to be using this one. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you'll scroll down and you can decide whether you'd like to collect the customer's address, require customers to provide a phone number, or limit the number of payments. You can also tap on Advanced Options, and from there you could add custom fields if you want. You can also allow promotion code, and you can also change the call to action button. So at the moment you can see that it says pay. If you would like to change the text right there, you could change it to book. You can also change it to donate. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Create Link in the top right hand corner. So let me do that real quick. After you have tapped on Create Link, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see the different payment methods that you'll be able to accept. And all you'll need to do now, you can go up to the top right here that you see, and you're going to tap on Buy button. After you have tapped on Buy button, there's going to be a pop-up window right here. And all you'll need to do now, at the moment, you can see how the Buy button looks. So you'll have a product image and you'll have the Buy button right there. And you can scroll down if you would like to change it to Only button. You can tap on the button right there and you'll be provided with only the button. So you have two different options that you can choose from. You can also change the button text again by simply toggling that on, as you can see right there. So if you'd like to add the card, you'll simply tap on Card, then you'll tap on Copy Code. And if we should go back into Google Sites, and let's say for example I were to select this portfolio website example right here. Once on the website, all you'll need to do now to add the embed code, you would select Embed from the right hand menu option. After selecting Embed, you're going to tap on Embed Code. Then you're going to paste in the link right here. Then tap on Next. And you're going to see a preview of the product page. Then you'll tap on Insert. After selecting Insert, the Stripe payment option will automatically be added to your Google Sites. So you can see it loading up right here. And that's it. You can now publish your website and you'll be able to collect payment through Stripe. And again, if you would like to just have the button alone instead of the cover image and also the button, all you'll need to do is simply go into Payments. Then from there you'll scroll down, select button. After you have selected button, you'll tap on Save Changes and Copy Code. And then once you have copied the code, you will do the same thing just like what I showed you earlier. You can also create a QR code if you want by tapping on QR code right here. And you could download the image and then share it, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.